You may wish to place the marking pin at the start point of the job prior to beginning programming the job. Use the arrow keys to jog the marking pin to the appropriate position. From the machine main menu, use the scroll keys to select New and then New Job, or press F8 on your keyboard. A new job entry will be created. Enter a name for the job and press Enter. File names should be 8 characters or less, letters and numbers only. Select the appropriate line type for your job and press Enter. For this example, we will use the default line type Normal. Type the text you wish to engrave and press Enter. Type in the desired text height as measured in inches and press Enter. Position the marking head by entering the XY position of the start of the line, or teach the machine using the arrow keys. The machine will ask for the line style. For this example, we will select the default style Regular. Press Enter or use the scroll keys to select a different style. Confirm that the job details have been entered correctly by pressing Y on your keyboard. If there is a mistake in the entry, press N to re-enter the information. When asked for another line, press Y and repeat the steps of entering the text to be marked on the next line. When programming the second line, we will input a Y value of 0.3 so that the second line will be marked below line 1. When all lines of the job have been entered, press N. Press Escape to return to the main menu. The job will be saved in the machine and can be run at any time.